What if I told you that almost every single dollar you've ever handed over for car air conditioning repairs was completely unnecessary? That $300 AC recharge the dealership pushed on you? Most likely a total scam. That terrifying $1,200 compressor replacement estimate? You could have avoided it entirely using nothing more than an ordinary garden hose. Auto repair shops are actively counting on your confusion to line thigh-around pockets. But that ends today. Right here, I am revealing 10 hidden secrets that will turn your rolling oven into an absolute icebox without getting ripped off by greedy mechanics. Secret number 10. Unleash the recirculation button. You know that button on your dashboard featuring a car icon with a U-turn arrow inside? Most drivers have zero clue how it actually functions. Under normal operation, your AC pulls in scorching, humid outside air and works itself to death trying to cool it down. But when you press that button, the system switches to recirculating the air that is already cooled inside the cabin. It drops the interior temperature almost instantly, slashes strain on your compressor, and can even boost your fuel economy by up to 10%. Before we unlock secret number 9, if you want to keep your entire vehicle running like brand new for over 500,000 miles without giving away your hard-earned savings to repair shops, check out the link in the description right now. We have put together the ultimate step-by-step master guide loaded with secret maintenance hacks, fluid protection shortcuts, and longevity tricks to bulletproof your engine and drivetrain for 500,000 miles. Click the link down in the description and grab your copy today. Secret number 9, the $20 cabin air filter trick. Replacing your cabin air filter is the single cheapest maintenance task drivers ignore for way too long. After 12,000 miles, this filter gets completely choked with dirt, dust, and pollen, forcing your blower motor to struggle and strangling your airflow to a gentle breeze. A mechanic will happily charge you $50 to $70 to swap it. Don't fall for it. Buy a filter online for $20, pop open your glove box, and slide it in yourself in under 5 minutes with zero tools required. Your vents will instantly blast like a hurricane. Secret number 8. Stop baking your dashboard. When it is 80 degrees outside, interior cabin temperatures can rocket past 118 degrees in less than an hour. Your air conditioner then has to fight against an absolute oven, burning significantly more gas and wearing out your compressor early. A simple $8 windshield sunshade can drop cabin temperatures by up to 40 degrees. Pair that with parking in shaded spots, and you've just bought the cheapest insurance policy to make your AC components last years longer. Secret number 7. Blast the condenser with a hose. Your AC works by dumping hot heat out of the cabin through the condenser, which sits right behind your front bumper grill. Over time, bugs, road grime, and leaves get sucked into those delicate metal cooling fins, forming a thick insulating barrier of gunk. The heat gets trapped, the compressor works overtime, and eventually it burns out completely. A new compressor installation averages $1,200. Or, you could let your car cool down. Grab a garden hose with a gentle nozzle and flush that trapped dirt away for free. Your AC will feel ice cold in 10 minutes. Secret number 6. Kill the science experiment. That foul, musty smell blasting out of your vents when you kick on the AC is mold and mildew breeding right where your car breathes the exterior cowl inlet at the base of your windshield. Wet leaves and moisture accumulate there, creating a paradise for bacteria. The fix is dirt cheap. Pull out your cabin filter, roll down all windows, set the fan speed to low, and spray Lysol directly into that exterior windshield inlet. The blower fan will draw the disinfectant through the entire ductwork, destroying mold spores instantly. Secret number 5. Stop wasting fuel at idle. Sitting parked in your driveway with the AC cranked to maximum while waiting for the cabin to cool down is a massive waste of fuel, burning nearly half a gallon of gas per hour. Instead, step inside, set the AC to max, and roll all windows down for just 15 seconds as you begin driving. Physical forward motion forces that superheated to 00-degree air out of the cabin instantly. Roll the glass back up, and your car cools down twice as fast while saving money at the pump. Secret number 4. Test your condenser cooling fans, mounted directly behind your front grille or electric cooling fans. If one of those fans fails, your AC will blow cold while driving on the highway, but quickly turn lukewarm when stopped in traffic because heat has nowhere to go. To inspect them, crank your AC to maximum and look through the front grille. After 5 minutes, both fans should be spinning rapidly. If one is dead, don't pay a dealer $500. You can source an aftermarket fan assembly for under $100 and bolt it in yourself using basic hand tools. Secret number 3. Inspect the Serpentine belt. If you drive an older or high-mileage vehicle, this 10-second visual inspection can prevent a catastrophic failure. The engine serpentine belt transfers rotational power directly to your AC compressor clutch. If that belt is loose, slipping, or cracked, the compressor won't spin at its rated speed, causing it to overheat and fail prematurely. A replacement belt costs under $65. Flip open the hood if you spot rubber cracks, surface glazing, or hear a loud squeal on cold starts. Replace the belt immediately. Secret number 2. The refrigerant reality check. Here is a fact auto repair shops absolutely hate admitting: refrigerant does not expire or break down over time. In a perfectly sealed system, it lasts forever. However, microscopic leaks can develop over years, causing your AC to blow warm air. A shop will gladly charge you $300 for a recharge service. Or you can purchase a DIY recharge kit at an auto parts store for $40. Just verify your owner's manual first. Older cars use cheap R134A, while modern vehicles take R134F, which is much more expensive. Know your vehicle's exact spec so no one can upsell you on an unnecessary conversion. Secret number 1. The computer safety trap. This issue tricks almost every car owner. Your AC starts blowing warm air, so you immediately assume the compressor is dead. But modern vehicle computers have a built-in protection override. If your engine coolant level drops low and the motor begins running hot, the engine control module ECU instantly cuts power to the AC compressor to protect the engine block from melting. You sit there sweating, thinking you need a $1,000 AC overhaul, when all you really needed was to top off your $15 engine coolant reservoir. Check that plastic tank first, it might bring your freezing air back in seconds. Look, you don't need to be a master mechanic to keep your car's air conditioning freezing cold. Most of these issues are just built-up dirt, minor neglect, or simple thermal wear. The solutions cost a fraction of a single repair shop visit. Before you spend hundreds on diagnostic fees, check these simple items yourself. Your wallet will thank you. Don't forget to click the link in the description to grab your 5,000-mile car maintenance guide. Smash that like button if this saved you cash. And subscribe for more honest automotive secrets.